Hello, I'm Seema. The passage we are looking at is a discussion in the boardroom meeting of Charters and Company about a price-cutting war with another company named Chomsky. Our question is, which of the following statement is in accordance with McClinsey views? As per the passage, there are more than one ways to deal with price discounts. Therefore, option number 1, saying the only way, is wrong. Price discounts are not always necessary to stay in the market, which makes option number 2 also wrong. In addition to price, quality of product is also a selling point in the market. Therefore, option number 4 is also incorrect, saying price is the only selling point. We are here finding a statement which is in accordance with McClinsey's view. McClinsey presently is in a position where to counter his competitor. He has to resort to price discounts. Therefore, option number 3, saying the present line of work, easy saws, cannot be sold without staying price competitive with speedy saws, is our right answer. Option number 5 automatically gets negated, so we get our answer as option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The passage we are dealing with is a discussion in the boardroom meeting of Charters and Company about price-cutting war with another company, Chomsky. Our question is, according to the passage, let's see which one of the options is the right choice. The passage does not state that $30 cut would make the product line unprofitable. So option number 1 is incorrect. When the company controls 60% of the market share, it can stop the price war but cannot be ensured to win the price war. Therefore, option number 2 is also incorrect. The passage clearly states that work-easy chainsaw machines are of the same quality as speedy chainsaws. Therefore, option number 3 is also incorrect. It has been clearly brought out in the passage that the chainsaw market is mature. Here, in a mature market, you can afford to discount if it's a matter of survival. So, our option is 4. The answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The passage we are looking at is a discussion in the boardroom meeting of Charters and Company about price-cutting war with another company, Chomsky. The question given is, according to the passage, which of the following is correct? Have a look at this line here. Let's lop $30 off our selling price. This shows that Charters intended to cut the trade price by $30 and not $10. Option number 1, therefore, is incorrect. The passage does not support the argument that price discounts on work-easy chainsaw would lower sales of a speedy chainsaw, as has been stated in 2. Hence, this is also wrong. Chomsky's strategy only in chainsaw and not in all market has been price discounting. Therefore, option number 4 is also wrong. The passage clearly brings out that Chomsky, being a bigger company, does not depend on chainsaw sales as much as Charters depend on it. Therefore, option number 3 stating the same is our correct choice. Negating 5 automatically. So the answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The passage we are looking at is a discussion in the boardroom meeting of Charters and Company about price-cutting war with another company, Chomsky. Our question is, Guy Samuel's argument against cutting speed-easy prices can be summarized as, Guy Samuel is the finance director of Charters and Company, and he commented on the financial health of the company and brought out clearly that Charters did not have the reserves to absorb the steep price cuts. Therefore, option number 4 is our correct choice. Negating 1, 2, 3 and 5. Answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.